Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for an easy midweek all-in-one chicken tray bake. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large roasting pan, and to that we're going to add some bone-in chicken breasts. Just fry the chicken breasts for a couple of minutes till they're golden brown, then flip them over and brown the other side. Now we're not looking to cook these through, we're just looking to brown them off. Once our chicken's browned on both sides, then we're going to add some sliced peppers, some chopped baby potatoes, some whole cloves of garlic. We're going to give that a quick stir around, just make sure everything's coated in the oil. Then we're going to pop the lid on and we're going to put it into a preheated oven. Now we've preheated the oven to 180 degrees centigrade for an ordinary oven or 160 for a fan oven. We cook it for 20 minutes. Just take it out. Remove the lid and then we're going to add some orange slices and some orange juice. And then some pitted black olives. And now we're going to return the pan with the lid off to the oven. We're going to cook this for another 15 minutes just until the potatoes have started to go crusty and roasted on the outside. Now we'll check our chicken with the meat thermometer, and as long as it's above 75 degrees centigrade at the thickest point, it's cooked and ready to serve. So now let's serve our easy midweek all-in-one chicken tray bake. Just pop some of the vegetables, the orange sauce, the olives onto a plate, and then we'll set the chicken breast on top. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.